Hey everyone, welcome back to Millennial Investments for another daily trade review. This is our third one for the day. Feel free to look at some of the other ones in the playlist for today in our daily trade review playlist as well. Today we're going to be looking at ticker PRPL, Purple Innovation Incorporated. This is actually a comfort technology company. As you may know, the mattress, the purple mattress, this is that company. And we saw the company actually jump about 25% today, and we want to identify some entries into it, some support levels and key levels of resistance. Of course, go over some fundamentals with you as well, just so you're aware of the company and what it's doing as a business, as well as what the stock charts are showing. As you can see, it actually broke out to the 3083 after finding some support down here around the 24 or 2376 to be exact, which is actually a key level of support I'm going to identify moving forward. I'll kind of clear up this chart for you. I realized my last few videos I didn't have that where you can actually see the stock chart and the price movement a little clearer. One thing I want to point out is that it's actually finding resistance pretty strong around this 3146 level. So I would be careful getting back into this. We will look at a little bit deeper into some news and why it moved today specifically, but and maybe that could be the catalyst to continue pushing it higher. We can definitely pull back those indicators I had in here. As you can see on the 4-hour, we're right at the bottom 13 EMA as it's crossed below its resistance level that it's been playing with for some time now. Currently trying to break above the level with the momentum it has on the 1-hour. You see the compression there coming into play and ultimately going green on the 10-minute and looking like it will find the support to continue moving forward. Of course, it's after hours now, so that volume may have slowed down a little bit, but definitely something to watch going into pre-market on Monday is how it reacts to this 3146. As you see, it hit that level a little bit, but ultimately was rejected and came back down. And now we're riding up underneath that level of resistance. Let's see if we can find the support above it and continue moving back higher. If this were to move higher, a key level I want to pay attention to is somewhere up here around the 4018, 4015 to be exact. It's had some strong resistance there moving forward over some time now, since at least the beginning of the year. I want to go back a little bit more to see how this is correlated with the price ranges that it's currently in. And as you can see, it's doing very well ever since the March crash. It recaptured some of those gains and continued pushing higher after breaking through the $15.70 price levels of resistance, and it has since then continued moving higher. Although it saw some pullback from the market rotation that we've seen over the past 2 weeks, and you would have been able to find a strong entry into the stock around the 2376 to bounce off of and sit at these 3118s. If you were able to get in there, I think you're golden. If you weren't able to, you're definitely still have an opportunity to capture some potential gains to the upside, about 30%, at least to retest those 4012s before this market pullback occurred, to basically capture those gains again. So I just wanted to share that information with you so you're aware of what to watch for with the company moving forward. We can try to look at some of the fundamentals on the trade, And something that stands out to me is the fact that EPS growth has continued to grow year over year, 27%, and their net profit margins ultimately are around 60% year over year. Quarterly basically respects that growth and shows 192% quarter over quarter EPS growth and 119% on net profit margins. And basically what that tells you is for every share you own, this is what you receive in earnings, and then this is how the company is actually operating and performing with their net profit margins. That's why I focus on those key levels. But I want to look into some news as well to see if there's anything that actually kind of stands out to me on why it jumped specifically today. Basically, it rebounded after reporting Q4 results on Thursday is all I'm seeing that stands out. They had a bunch of analyst actions where, price targets were either lowered or pushed up. A lot of them were lowered to about the $32 price level, which is around where it's currently trading at. So let's see if we can get above that 31.46 that I identified, which is right near the price target that a lot of analysts put on it. But that's my targets that I'm going after, is how it reacts to that level of resistance and then ultimately bounce above that and find support moving forward. Other than that, that's it for this video. I want to thank you for taking the time out of your day. If you found any of this information beneficial in any kind of way, feel free to show your support by simply liking and subscribing to the channel in order to receive future notifications regarding trade reviews such as this one, as well as our daily free trade alerts here at Millennial Investments. Otherwise, I hope you have a great weekend. I just wanted to give you something to prepare for going into Monday. If you were interested in this trade as well as the other ones we are releasing videos on today, you can check the playlist for it, our daily trade reviews, and you'll see two of the other videos that we just recently released, and also we'll have a clip at the end of the video so you can get straight to them. Other than that, thank you for taking time out of your day. Like I said, I hope you have a great weekend. Thank you all for the support as we just hit 200 subscribers. I didn't think we'd get above 100, but the fact that we're growing is enough, and making milestones here. And I want to thank everybody for the support that we're getting back for what we're given. Other than that, I'll talk to you soon. We should be looking at a few more videos after this. I'm not sure. I'm going to try to find some opportunities to pay attention to going into Monday. So other than that, if you have any questions or feedback, feel free to put it in the comments below, and good luck trading otherwise. Thank you.